Good morning, 99 family, and good morning, YouTube. And we are back again with another video. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Today, we are going to be hitting a lot of different finance and credit topics, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, on this channel, we talk about finance and professional development, and we also talk about business. If any of that interests you, please don't hesitate to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get all of our upcoming videos. The topic of discussion for the current hour is what is a charge card. So a charge card is a personal line of credit. But it's special because it has to be paid off every 30 days. So whenever you get a charge card, if you get a card that's a charge card and not a credit card, it must be paid off every 30 days. So then you may say, okay, well, what is, the pros or the cons of having a charge card versus a credit card? And I'm going to start off by saying, that even though there currently aren't really any entry-level charge cards on the market for someone just trying to start off with building their credit, I feel like there should be. I feel like this should be how credit is initially extended and how we learn to manage our credit, so that we can eventually build up to those higher revolving lines. And this is a way that if you know that you're bad with your credit, this can start to really build better habits for you. And this is actually more towards how I use my credit cards. So I just wanted to kind of explain what it was. This is a completely different type of card from a credit card. And you all should definitely know about these in case if you apply for one, so that you know the difference and know how to manage it. So the pros again are you want to have an extra trade line reporting on your credit report, extra positive trade line, which is always great. Charge cards usually give more generous limits than a credit card. Because you're paying that card back every 30 days. So they know that usually you're not going to bite off more than you can chew, because if you do, then it will negatively impact your credit if you don't pay it off within that time frame. In addition, a charge card is going to help you build a relationship with the bank. And when we're talking about dealing with banks, and when we talk about charge cards, the most common one that we talk about are the American Express cards, the green card, the platinum card, the gold card. And all those cards, they're actually easier for you to get than the other American Express credit products. And this will actually start to build your relationship with American Express by you getting a charge card. In addition, most charge cards have pretty good rewards programs. They have different credits. They have, some of them have flight credits, some of them have dining credits, some of them have, subscriptions for like Netflix. There's so many different rewards and different kickbacks that you can get from having a charge card. The next one is the interest rates on these cards. Charge cards usually have a lower interest rate than a credit card, because there are certain ones that do allow you to revolve a balance. However, you're usually never going to pay interest, and if you do, it'll be a very finite amount, because you're expected to pay that balance off in full every 30 days. Another thing is it's going to build good credit habits, because how you manage these charge cards is more towards how you manage your other credit products and your other credit cards. And it'll just start to build that habit. And that good habit and repetition is going to be extremely beneficial and helpful moving forward in credit. Then we go down into the cons. One of them is you have to pay that balance off in full. So you're never, revolving a balance. And that could cause an issue if, you run into a tight spot where you aren't able to pay what you thought you were going to be able to pay, or just any particular situation where you could have a money issue during that month, and then you're expected to pay that balance in full, otherwise it will negatively reflect on your credit report. It could possibly cause more fees and interest and things of that nature. In addition, most charge cards come with a pretty hefty annual fee because they are considered more prestigious cards generally. So, that's just something else to think about when you're thinking about applying for a charge card. But those are the points that I kind of wanted to express to you guys, let you guys hear, and take for what you want to take. Thank you all for watching. Please stay tuned. There'll be more videos coming out later on today.